Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's adventure on The Most Epic Adventures. I'm your host, Rob Zip, and we are in my kitchen. It is actually clean. I just have a lot of stuff in here. This was actually supposed to be a giveaway, but nobody ever figured it out, so I still have it. I have a couple other things I was trying to give away, but nobody did what I asked them to do. But on today's episode, me and my mom are going to try this iHealth COVID-19 antigen rapid test. This is a 2-test self-test at home, results in 15 minutes. I got this on Amazon, and it actually took a little bit longer to get here than a normal package from Amazon. But we don't have any symptoms or any signs. We're both vaccinated and boosted. Mom was in the bathroom. She just washed her hands. But, just to be safe, I got a few of these. And we're going to try it out and show you what this is like.
No nosebleed lately, have you?
No, do not use it if you're prone to nosebleeds. So, do you want to do the honors, Mom? Stab. So it is sealed. There's a seal on the package. So just cut the little. That's the blunt side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you gotta cut the.
I'm trying to get it to the cut.
You gotta be careful.
Yeah, I might cut my finger in the.
Here, you. Let's see what's in the package here. So it looks like we got a couple of.
Here's the instructions.
Yeah, we got to do the instructions. So we got a couple of these, and the instructions.
In the package, take out the COVID-19 test card in the pouch. Okay. Yeah, well, I did it like that.
Okay.
I did one of these at Walgreens back in August when I came back from Atlanta when everybody
else tested positive from that convention?
Like 15 people in our group. Okay.
All right, so you've got to put the whole swab into your nostril. I don't know how far. Does it say how far to go?
Oh, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch into your nostril.
Okay, I'm up there. Oh.
Slowly and firmly brush against insides of nostril.
Okay.
In a circular motion against the nasal wall.
Okay, yeah.
At least 5 times.
Yeah, I'm about to sneeze this out.
Take both
All right.
nostrils with the same swab.
So you got to do both nostrils. Just get it up there and move it around. This is a very unnatural feeling. Like it is natural for me to want to sneeze it out. Okay. Tapping it on the table there.
And twist the orange large cap to open the tube.
Yeah, twist it. I got boogers on it. Not boogers, but snot.
Okay, and then you
put it
in there.
You put it in the tube. Stirring it at least 15 times. So 15 seconds in one nostril.
And squeeze
15 seconds in another nostril.
Squeeze the sides of the tube to express as much liquid as possible from the swab, and then remove the swab.
Yep, there you go. It's been 15 seconds now.
Okay, yeah, it's pretty juicy.
It's juicy. And then,
okay.
Now you got to put it on here, right?
Well, wait a minute.
It says 3 drops.
Okay, screw the large cap back in.
Put the juice. Get all the juice on the Q-tip. Basically, is what they want you to do here.
And squeeze it.
Squeeze it. Put it all on there. And then you got to put.
Oh, see, there's the deal where it says squeezing it.
So you got to squeeze it. All right, then you got to put it in here.
Yeah, I need to put this back in the over there.
Okay, so yeah. So it was getting the mucus off the Q-tip.
And then I guess you gotta
put that on there. Take the top off. And
3 drops on there.
3 drops right there.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we wait 15 minutes. So there it goes. It's doing its work. So yeah, now it's Mom's turn. All right, it's been 15 minutes. So if it just says C, you're clear. If it has C and T, you have COVID. I am in the clear. No COVID from me, guys.
Yep.
Congratulations to me. All right, let's see where Mom's is.
Oh,
All right.
I've got 2 minutes.
Just
Wait a
what?
minute. Oh, wait. It stopped for some reason.
Okay, well, I think it's time. So we can check yours. Where is it, Mom?
It's a C.
All right, you clear. C is for clear, and T is for trouble. So there you go. Congratulations, Mom. We don't have COVID.
I didn't think so, but you know, kind of cool to
check.
Yeah.
And not wait in a line at Dancetown.
Yeah.
All right, so just good to have. A lot of places are requiring you to show proof of a test. If you're not vaccinated, or if you are vaccinated, they are still requiring you to show like a recent test. So this could be something, if you go to a venue, you can do it right there, and they could see you do it. I've actually seen people do these at House of Blues here in Houston. But yeah, apparently soon we're going to be able to get these for free. I didn't pay a whole lot for these. I have some more. I am going to take a couple of trips coming up, so it'll be good for me to know. Again, I am vaccinated and boosted, but still, I don't want to spread anything if I have it. So we're both clear, Mom. Yay!
Yay.
So this is just an informational video. There's nothing political about this. I'm just letting you know if you want to do an at-home test, you can do this. And there's actually an app. I don't know why you would need the app, but there is an app for Google and Apple.
Does it scan the code?
Yeah.
What does it say?
I guess you can keep track of your test results, perhaps. But all right.
You can keep track of it from this video.
Sure. All right, guys. Until next time, remember to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most epic adventures.